Think about the last time you were at a mall, or maybe an airport. You probably just hopped on an escalator without giving it a second thought. But what you're actually riding is this incredible hidden machine. And today, we're going to pull back the curtain and find out exactly how it works. I mean, it's the classic question, right? You get to the top, you step off, and the stair you were just on, poof, it just tucks itself away under the floor. So, where does it go? Does it just fall into some big pit full of stairs? Well, the real answer is actually way, way cooler than that. So, to solve this mystery once and for all, we're going to imagine we can shrink down and follow the journey of just one single escalator step. We're going to stick with it as it carries people up, disappears into the belly of the machine, and then comes all the way back around again. You ready? Let's go. All right, so first let's meet the star of the show, a single, seemingly simple escalator step. It might not look like much, but this thing is a masterpiece of design, built to be super strong, totally safe, and live a very, very busy life. So let's get a little closer. You've definitely seen these grooves on top, right? They're there to give your shoes some extra grip, but they also have another secret job that's super important for safety. We'll get to that in a bit. The yellow lines, well, they're just a bright reminder to watch your step and stay away from the edges. But the real magic, the part that makes everything work, is hidden underneath. 2 sets of wheels. Remember that, it's the key to everything. Okay, so think about it. How does an escalator carry a bunch of people up a really steep hill without any of the steps tilting or tipping over? It's like this constant, amazing balancing act, and it all comes down to some really brilliant but totally hidden engineering. Tucked away inside, usually at the very top of the escalator, is its powerhouse, a huge electric motor. When that thing kicks on, it makes this low humming sound. Some people even say it sounds like a spaceship getting ready for takeoff. This motor turns these massive gears, and those gears pull a giant, super strong chain. Now, our hero step isn't going on this journey all by itself. Nope. It's attached to that giant chain along with every other single step. They form one huge continuous loop, kind of like beads on a giant heavy-duty necklace, all being pulled along together in a perfect line. Okay, so a motor pulls a chain of steps. That makes sense, but that still doesn't answer the biggest question, does it? If they're all just being dragged up a slope on a chain, why don't they tilt? How in the world do they stay so perfectly flat for you to stand on? And here it is, the big secret. Remember those 2 sets of wheels under each step? Well, they run on 2 totally separate tracks, like a secret little racetrack hidden inside the machine. Now, when the steps are going up the hill, the tracks are spaced far apart from each other. This forces the step into that perfect level stair shape. But then, as it gets to the top or the bottom, those tracks get closer and closer together, which makes the step flatten out completely. It's so simple and absolutely genius. All right, now for the grand finale, the disappearing act. Our step has made it to the top. It's delivered its passengers safely. So where does it actually go? This is that secret racetrack in action. As our step is climbing, those separated tracks hold it perfectly in its stair shape. But right as it reaches the landing, those tracks smoothly merge together, causing the step to flatten out, becoming part of the floor so you can step off easily and safely. And just like that, it's gone. But it didn't just vanish into thin air. Our step simply flips over and starts its journey all the way back to the beginning. It travels down the entire length of the escalator, but upside down, on a return track that's completely hidden from our view. It's always moving, always getting ready for its next trip. So what you're really looking at is one giant, continuous, never-ending loop of stairs that are constantly circulating. While one half of the steps are on top carrying people, the other half are underneath, making their way back to the start. It's this non-stop cycle that makes them so incredibly good at moving lots of people all at once. But of course, our hero's step doesn't do all this work alone. An escalator is really a whole team of parts, all working together in perfect sync to make your ride smooth and, more importantly than anything else, super safe. So first up, let's talk about the handrail. It might just feel like a simple rubber belt, but it's a really critical part of the whole system. See, it's connected by its own set of chains and gears to the exact same motor that moves the steps. This makes sure that it moves at the exact same speed, giving you a nice, stable thing to hold onto so you can keep your balance. And, safety is just everything on these machines. At the top and bottom, you'll see this metal plate with what looks like teeth. It's called a comb plate. Now remember the grooves on the steps? This is their secret job. The teeth of the comb plate fit perfectly into those grooves, which clears away any little bits of dirt and stops things like a shoelace from getting pulled into the gap. And those little brushes on the side? They're not for cleaning your shoes. They're actually called skirt brushes, and they're just a gentle little nudge to remind you to keep your feet away from the edge. And of course, there's always that big red emergency stop button, just in case.
Wow, we've been on quite a journey with our little step, haven't we? So let's wrap it all up and recap the entire secret of how an escalator works in 5 simple points. Okay, here's the whole shebang. First, an escalator is just one giant, never-ending loop of steps that are all connected. Second, a big, powerful motor drives some gears that pull this entire loop around and around. Third, the real magic is that secret 2-track system that changes how far apart the tracks are to make flat steps into stairs, and then back again. Fourth, the handrail is hooked up to the very same motor, so it moves at the exact same speed to help you stay steady. And finally, number 5, all those clever safety features like the comb plates and side brushes are always working to keep everybody safe.
And there you have it. So the next time you step onto an escalator, you'll know all about the incredible, hidden dance of tracks and chains and gears that's happening right there beneath your feet. It kind of makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other everyday marvels are hiding their amazing secrets right out in the open?